Okay. I will torque it, and I'm going to turn off traction control. Okay, here we go. Traction control is off. I'm holding it down for 5 seconds. I don't know if that'll help or not. Sometimes it lets you exploit the power. Okay. Ready? And here we go. Sounds good. Wow, you know what? That didn't work. Oh yeah, it did. Okay, that was weird. 8.56. That's not bad. Over a mile above sea level. Let me stress that again. Over a mile above sea level. For those of you who are using your slide rules, that's not too bad.